So, welcome back sa aking channel. So, ang natira kong dayami is 1,234 na lang kasi nag-try akong mag-withdraw. Tinry ko talaga kung legit yung application na to. So, as you can check here sa aking message, bill notification, nag-withdraw ako no 21 daily withdraw, ayan, 48 hours. Tapos dumating siya kinabukasan 6:22, ayan, pumasok na sa AP yung aking withdraw kasi dito sa withdrawal niya yung AP yung pinakamababa. Ang AP is 10,500, equivalent siya ng 5 USD. Yan lang, just to let you know na ang application na ito ay nagbabayad talaga. Thank you so much for watching.